Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Crystal and today in this video we are going to be unboxing our 2018 Boxycharm. Unboxing? Yeah. So for those of you who are not familiar, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service. You get 4 to 5 full-size products. Not deluxe size, not deluxe sample size or whatever. Full-size products, and you only pay $21 a month. Sometimes the box can retail I've seen it as high as I think $150 or $160, but for $21 that's not bad. So I'm going to be sharing with you what I got in this month's Boxycharm, as well as doing it in a try-on style video. So yeah, if you guys want to see what I got in this month's box, go ahead and keep on watching. Also, don't forget that if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload. And yeah, I think that's it. So let's get into the video. So Boxycharm, this month's box, actually they changed up their card style. It used to just be just like a little postcard style, and on the back it had the information. Now it is a, I don't know, a 3-page pamphlet, I guess you would call it. And you actually open it up like this. So on the front it looks just like the front of the box, or the top of the box. And it says Boxycharm, and on the back, before you even open it, they do give you some information about a couple of products that are in here, like VIP offers or 10% off. So there was a Dr. Brandt VIP offer at Sephora. It says while supplies last, so I'm just going to skip right through that. But there is currently a Tarte 10% off orders on Tarte.com. The code is April Boxy, and it is valid until May 15th, 2018, just in case. It'll be down below. Also, there will be a link for you guys to order a Boxycharm down below in the description as usual. So this month's theme, I don't know if you guys can see this, it says eye candy, and it is cute little boxy babes, I think they're called. So then when you fold it open, on the last 2 pages, there are the 5 products. And it gives you the information, the price, and their hashtag, and which boxy babe liked that specific product. So we're just going to jump right in. So the first thing that I see is this Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. I mean, that's just the name alone is pretty much self-explanatory. This is an award-winning pore refining mask that is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin's surface. This little guy is only 1 fluid ounce, and it retails for $47. It does come with a protective seal, which is always good. That's how you know it hasn't been used or tested or, ooh. So I would try to show you, but I know you're not going to see it. So it's a clear, I mean, it's a cloudy ointment type thing, and then it has little blue beads inside. Okay. A little bit right here. Oh, you can see that. Oh. It smells like something medicinal. Very strange. So moving on, here is the BrowGal. This is a Instatint. So this product is, yeah, the BrowGal Instatint Tinted Eyebrow Gel. Tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look. Perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural fill to their brows. This little guy is $22, and it is in the shade Brown Hair 2. So I'm not sure that that'll match. Oh, I don't even know if I want to. I'm sure you guys can see how light that is. Maybe I'll go over it and then let's see. Can you guys tell the difference? I don't know if I can. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this guy finish drying, and then I will go wipe him off and come back and let you know how it worked. Okay, so I wiped off the areas where I had the Dr. Brandt Pores No More vacuum cleaner, and it feels tighter, but for me to see how a skin product actually works, I do have to use it more than once, so I will give you guys an update down in the description box. So the next thing we are going to play with is going to be the eyeshadow palette that's in here, and this I was a little disappointed. I was really hoping, if you guys saw my last video, I did the My Little Pony Glam Glow peel off mask, and I was really hoping that I got another My Little Pony product. So anyway, I got the Colourpop Semi Precious palette, and I was excited. I wasn't like very upset. So this is the unicorn, and then it has the shades and the names on the back, and it's beautiful. They have beautiful colors in them. So this is it again. The only thing the one thing I didn't like was the unicorn had the actual colors, like the shades, and then these just have like the hollowed out circles without the actual colors in each individual shade. These are all shimmer shades, so I'm definitely going to have to dive into another palette just to get a transition and maybe even like a smoky color, but who knows, we'll see. So let me swatch. This one looks like, okay. So let me swatch Upon a Star. No, what is it? Bashful. I'm going to swatch Bashful for you guys. Oh wow. It was really soft, and it actually does have a lot of pigment just on a swatch, but we all know that swatches don't rule the world. So let me wipe this off and we'll play with the palette. I'm going to dive into the Retro Love palette by Bad Habit. If you guys don't know, this is available on Hush, the Hush app, or hush.com. I'm going to jump in here and I'm going to go into Fab, which is kind of an orange yellow, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. Next I'm going to go into Youth, which is this one right here, and I'm going to try to deepen up just the, there we go. Next I'm going to take some concealer and I'm going to do a cut crease. Just do a half, I guess, as always. And then I'm going to take, this is where it like gets tricky. So I'm going to take the Game, which is this one right here, which is a little more yellow toned than the first one that I swatched. And I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to pop that on the inner third. Next I'm going to flip my brush and I'm going to grab Up and Atom, which is this one right here. I'm going to grab another brush and I'm going to grab the shade West Star. I have so many brushes, there's so many things going on right now. West Star, which is this one right here. I'm going to pack that on the outer third. Sure, why not? So because that has gotten so deep, I'm going to go back in to the Retro Love and I'm going to go into Nostalgia, which is this deep reddish brown, and I'm going to try to pack that. I really don't have to because that one is so deep. So I'm going to go do the other eye and then the rest of my face, and then I'll come back because I have highlight and lipstick. The Semi Precious eyeshadow palette retails for $26. So the colors that I used, they worked really amazingly. I really wish there was transitional shades in here, but I mean, They're gorgeous. I'll swatch some more for you right now. So let's see. Celestial, Beam Me Up, super soft, and Easy Go. I can't see, so if you guys can see that, I know my lights always blind them out. So this is the Tarte Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter in the shade Exposed. Now I know they have a shade in the liquid that's also in the palette, but this is not in the palette. So I thought, let's give this a go on camera. I'm going to apply it with my finger and a dampened sponge. So I'm going to go in. I don't know how much. Can I suck some back in? I don't know how much to go in with is the problem. My placement is a bit off just because I'm looking at a weird angle, but you guys can see that. That's really pretty. And it's not bringing, it doesn't look like it's bringing out any texture. It looks very glittery, but it doesn't look like it's bringing out any texture. Okay, so now let's try with my finger. Just take a little small dab. If you guys can see that, it's on my ring finger. This side's a little harder to blend. I think the moisture in the makeup sponge but no, see, like even if you did that and then pounced over it to blend out the edges, that's beautiful. Looks a little green. I think I had, does it look green or is it just me? Do it with my finger. See, like that's the kind of highlight I want all the time. Makeup, no makeup, holy moly. I don't know why I thought I wasn't gonna like this. So that was, like I said, the Tarte Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter, and that retails for $29 even. And then the last thing is this Adesse New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick, and I can't get it open. I'm just gonna rip into it. Okay, and it doesn't say a shade on here. There is a picture, but I don't know. Oh, okay. So just like a mauve, right up my alley. Just like a pink mauve tone. Oh, it's a flat doe foot. The doe foot is too flimsy. I could feel that already. It's a little too dark. It's not as light as I thought it was going to be. It feels like it's going to take a minute to dry down, or it's not going to dry down at all. I'm done with the box. I get to throw it away now. We'll give it a second. But that Adesse High Definition Liquid Lipstick is in the shade. It doesn't even have a shade on it at all. But that retails for $24. So while this dries, I'll run down everything that was in the box. So the Dr. Brandt Pores No More, I like that. Like I said, I'll just have to see as I use it if I really do love it. The second thing was the BrowGal. I thought the shade was going to be too light for me, but it actually works. I did have to fill in after I did my foundation, but that wasn't a problem. That wasn't the BrowGal Instatint's fault. But I will keep trying that out. So far, so good. The Colourpop Semi-Precious, like I said, the palette is great. It has great pigmentation. The only thing is I wish that there were transition shades in it. I just don't like having to reach for another palette, but that's not a huge deal. The Tarte highlighter. I know I topped it off with other highlighter, but I love that. It's so beautiful on its own. Yeah, I'm obsessed with it. And so far this I like. It still has a little bit of like tackiness or moussiness to it, but I don't know if it's going to dry down. So we'll have to wait and see. Anyway, so the value of this month's box was $148, which is incredible. For all those things, I only paid $21, so I saved $127. Yeah, not bad. BoxyCharm this month was not bad at all. I actually really enjoyed it, and I'm super happy that I'm still a BoxyCharm subscriber. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.